In this next tip video, I'll show you the power behind the use of crooked numbers. So what are crooked numbers? Crooked numbers are precise numbers, for example, like using 214,656 instead of over 200 or 200,000 plus. So why is that so powerful? First of all, because crooked numbers attract more attention. There's been a ton of studies behind that. They keep focus for longer because it takes more time for people to process them. They are much more believable and much more exact and much more accurate and much more convincing and much more engaging. So the trick behind crooked numbers is something that every marketer should have in their pocket as well. And the problem with it is that people generally tend to forget it. I am definitely among those, and it's always a good reminder for you to use crooked numbers because they can really help you. They are more believable, more exact, and more of everything, and much better than 200,000 plus. And so on. So keep that trick in your mind and use it anytime you use numbers in your headlines, in your copy, and in your value propositions, and pretty much everywhere. When you can use the exact number, use the exact number. And if it's changing and you can let it play live and change live over time, that's even more powerful. So that's it for crooked numbers.